Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm part of the Visor Mark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another one of the Sony smartphone series, the Xperia 5 IV battery performance. Are you ready? The Sony Xperia 5 IV is a compact Android smartphone with improvements in display, performance, camera, and battery. It features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and water and dust resistance. The device offers cinematic viewing and sound through the Creator Mode and Dolby Atmos R. It also introduces Game Enhancer for customizable gaming settings. The triple camera setup includes real-time IAF and real-time tracking for improved autofocus and tracking. Despite its compact size, the Xperia 5 IV houses a large 5000 mAh battery. The Xperia 5 IV joins the flagship Pro tier, more than €700. It stands out as one of the most compact devices within its tier. The Xperia 5 IV performed well in the overall battery ranking performance, getting a score of 36 out of 100. It achieved 1.5 days of use, translating into 41 hours between charges. In contrast, the Sony Xperia 10 IV lasted 2 days. The Sony Xperia 5 IV was awarded 1 out of 5 as a smartphone battery efficiency score, equal to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. The Xperia 5 IV would use only 3.9 kWh per annum taken from the Visor Mark battery performance testing. The Sony Xperia 5 IV scored 36 out of 100 in battery performance. We can observe that the Google Pixel 7 Pro exhibits a relatively lower battery performance score, scoring 32 out of 100. In direct comparison to the Sony Xperia 5 IV, it becomes evident that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra achieves an identical smartphone battery performance score of 36 out of 100. The Xperia 5 IV and the Google Pixel 7 Pro have a battery life of up to 1.5 days, while the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra surpasses them with a 2-day battery life. The Visor Mark battery life label now includes hours, making it simpler to compare the battery life of the Sony Xperia 5 IV and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. They are all highly competitive, with just a few hours of difference between them. The Sony Xperia 5 IV is a powerful compact smartphone with great capabilities. It has excellent battery life, a strong camera setup, and convenient features like a dedicated shutter, micro SD port, LED notification, water/dust resistance, and a headphone jack. While it offers a sleek design and smooth user experience, its processing power falls behind other smartphone competitors. Stay tuned for our upcoming smartphone battery performance review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.